If after today you guys want to start calling me Drip Isha, it's totally fine with me. It's totally fine. Hey guys, it's your favorite auntie of YouTube, Bad on BB. If you don't know, you already know. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, because you're definitely gonna like what I have to show you today. Better late than ever, but never late is better. I finally got to the Tory store for my birthday. Now, last birthday I did my first ever Tory Burch unboxing, and I had to get my bag repaired a little bit on the outside. So I had a 1-year warranty on the bag because I got it from the boutique in Chicago, and they were like, hey, it's under warranty, just bring it in and we'll send it to our repair shop. It took like 3 to 4 weeks, but they did fix everything that I wanted, but they did not have the shoes that I wanted while I was there. So, you know, I will leave the video to the unboxing of my first ever Tory Chicago bag that I got up there. This is the Tory Burch Walker satchel. This is a classic that Sergio Secrets put me on. It's my favorite bag ever. I felt like naked without this bag, because even though I really need smaller bags now, I'm not in the corporate I need to lug a tote everywhere world anymore. I need smaller bags. Like, this serves such a purpose for me, and it's still like that girl. Like, she's still that girl. She's the big whopper. And they have a smaller size too, which I'll show you guys in another video. From when I was shopping and I had to send my bag in. I'm just so happy to be reunited with her. But this video is not about her. They did not have my Tory Burch Miller sandals there. And oh my gosh, they had every color and the size that I needed today when I went to go pick this bag up. So I finally snatched up a pair of Tory Burch Miller sandals. So can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops, manicures and pedicures. I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all them lies need to stop. That's how I'm gonna be walking around these streets in my Tory Burch sandals, okay? And I just wanted to show them to you guys. When you get your Tory Burch Miller sandals from the boutique, you get them in this beautiful box. I mean, the packaging is love. It comes with a canvas bag as well. When you're traveling, or depending on how you store your shoes, you can throw your flip-flops in here. And their packaging is of course luxurious. If you're gonna spend over $200, which I spent $218 with tax and everything on these flip-flops, they better come with some pretty packaging, because you know the BB in Bad on BB stands for bad and bougie. If I'm spending my money, it better look like I spend my money. You heard? They put my receipts in these cute little bags. It might even be a business card in there to the guy who helped me out today. But yes, they put your little receipt in there. So a Tory, yeah, so I got the light McCoo Miller sandal. It was $198 with Chicago's highest giraffe coochie tax. It was $218.30, but it was my birthday gift to myself. Tory is kind of my new tradition now, you know. The color code is light makeup 216 Miller. It's calf leather. It's calf leather. I got mine in a size 8.5. The leather is so soft. The soles are so soft. I mean, I guess I could put these, take these little stickers off of the bottom. Look at it. Ah, they have that real calf leather smell. They just look so good, man. They look so good. They're so nice and soft, and I'm just amazed. So let me show you how I look walking in these though. I really wanted to get these sandals, especially in this nice nudie color. The salesperson who helped me, he was so nice. He really showed me like 4 different type of nudie browns, because I was going for like a darker, more cognac type of brown, but this one is just like a perfect nude. It kind of goes with my actual foot shade, which is ideal because a nude shoe you can get away with so much. Like I wanted a shoe that I could get away with murder in, basically wear with all different colors and all different type of things. And I mean, I love heels, but I'm definitely a flip-flop girl, and I wanted a good pair of quality flip-flops that's gonna last me through the ages and be stylish and quality. So Tory just does that for me, and that's why I'm just so happy I got it. And of course, I'm also happy I got to share that with you. So I hope that you guys like my Tory Burch Miller Sandal unboxing. If so, tell me what you think in the comments below, please. Yay, nay, do you have a pair, whatever. Just like definitely engage with me. I really love that. I really need that for the channel. And I just love hearing from you guys. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'm available on social media as well. So check me out there. The TikTok is definitely on climb right now. So I'm really happy about that. In the meantime, in between time, it is your girl. Until next time, Bad Aunt BB, over and out.